Excellence is never accidental. Engineered with intent, shaped with precision, delivered with consistency because outcomes are never left to chance.
This is not merely a school building or a place of instruction. Sri Vidya Vidyalayam, a purpose-built learning environment crafted to promote clarity, discipline and intellectual growth at every stage, where every detail serves a defined purpose.
Expansive green landscapes aligned with disciplined architectural design create an environment that sharpens focus while instilling order, stability and belonging.
Within this environment, students are not confined by rigid routines or passive systems. They are actively engaged, moving, interacting, participating because meaningful learning is never passive.
Play is not treated as a separate activity. It is seamlessly integrated, reinforcing coordination, building confidence, and shaping the ability to grow together.
As the learning journey transforms into the classroom, the methodology becomes more defined, more intentional, and distinctly outcome driven.
At Sri Vidya Vidyalayam, teaching extends beyond explanation. It is interactive, adaptive, and aligned with each learner's pace, ensuring no student is left behind and no potential remains untapped.
Students are encouraged to question, respond, analyze, and engage because true learning is not about recalling information but about understanding it with clarity and confidence.
Academic strength is reinforced through structural practical exposure, where learning moves beyond theory into application.
Across specialized laboratories in chemistry, robotics, and computer science, concepts are not merely introduced. They are explored, tested, and validated step by step with purpose and precision.
This ensures knowledge is not just acquired but retained, applied, and trusted. Intellectual development is continuously enhanced through competitive and collaborative platforms,
where students are challenged to think clearly, respond efficiently, and articulate with confidence.
A well-defined co-curricular framework supports adaptability, creativity, and independent thinking, ensuring students are prepared not just academically but holistically.
Cultural engagement remains an integral part of this journey, where values are preserved, perspectives are expanded, and identity is strengthened.
Field-based learning further deepens understanding as students collaborate, communicate, and grow together.
An essential skill in the real world. At its core, the institution remains firmly anchored in values, discipline, responsibility, integrity, and respect. Are not presented as ideas, they are consistently practiced, observed, and lived.
Balance is cultivated through practices such as yoga, ensuring harmony between physical and well-being and mental clarity.
Creativity disciplines, including drawing and artistic expressions, offer structured avenues for imagination, originality, and self-expression because every mind thinks differently.
Innovation is actively encouraged through platforms such as science exhibitions, where ideas are created, presented, questioned, and refined.
Performance-based activities further strengthen confidence and presence, allowing students to express themselves with clarity, control, and composure.
Strategic and recreational activities, including chess and indoor games, sharpen focus, strengthen decision making, and develop cognitive precision.
A strong outdoor games sports program encompassing cricket, kabaddi, volleyball, and more building resilient teamwork, endurance, and the discipline to compete and improve.
A structured and reliable transport network supports this ecosystem, ensuring safe, consistent, and seamless connectivity every single day.
This is not simply an institution that delivers education. Sri Vidya Vidyalayam is a system that builds clarity, discipline, capability, and long-term readiness with intent, not assumptions. Admissions are now open.
For those who value structure, depth, and measurable growth, for those who believe potential must be developed, not left to chance.
Begin in an environment where ability is recognized early, nurtured with care, and transformed into lasting success.